I don't know who needs to hear this, but you can generate videos of AI models in your clothes right now with Wishop AI. Let's dive right in. So Wishop AI is the tool to use. I've been using this tool for a long time now and it has not disappointed me yet. Now AI model is where you need to go to after you sign in. The link is going to be in my description. Just go there and you'd get 400 points to try it out for free. Now I'm going to go to new task over here on the right, top right, and I'm going to upload the image of the clothes I want. Now let's just do that and select the outfit. Now you can use, before it was only mannequin images you could use, but right now you can use lay flat pictures as well. So I'm just gonna go with this garment. So this is like a nice and flowy summer dress that I'm gonna work with. The AI has automatically selected the outfit, so I could go in and edit it if I feel like it left something out. So the edit button is right below it to the left. I feel like the strings were left out, or at least some of the strings were left out, so I'm just gonna zoom in and I'm gonna paint them in. So just click on the paint button and I think I'm gonna narrow it down a little. Sorry, I zoomed in too much so you can't see the full page. Alright, so this is the size of the brush. I'm gonna drop the size of the brush till it's like really small. And I'm just gonna draw the stripes of the dress so it's not weird. Or else it's gonna give some kind of strapless dress that I don't think is the style. The actual style is, if the image was top quality, it would have selected the dress perfectly with the straps. So because the top is a little pixelated, it's having some trouble. All right, I think I have it done. So we're gonna click complete right here. This should work. Now we're gonna go down and select our model. There are a lot of models. Just go to model shop and you see a very wide range of models to use. I have not seen this model before. She's new. Kevichusa? There are lots of models to choose from. We can also go with Alexandra, and confirm. And then we can choose a location. This is the background that you're going for. So I'm gonna choose this because it has a nice outdoor vibe. I think it's cute. And this image is for social media. So if you want to go the more studio-like image like this, that's also pretty fine. But I think because we want to try video, a more natural background would be more interesting. But then to each their own, it's all optional. Now we come down here and there's a description. You can add a prompt to this so that AI understands exactly what it's working with and what you want. And then you can also have negative prompts over here too. 100% up to you to choose. Now over here is model AI pose. Do you want it to be 50%, 100%? So I usually keep it at 50 so that it's more creative. The AI does its creative part and works its magic, so you can keep it at 50. Now model realism, there's the old version, there's a beta version that's recommended, and texture enhancement. That would make the skin look more, I don't know, glamorous. I usually try to stay away from stuff like that, so I stick to recommended. Photo composition, refer to location or the original image. Usually I go with location. Now, if we are just generating an image and we just want 2 versions, it's going to take us 40 points. Now, if we want to do a video and we just want 1 video, it's going to take 600 points. This is a blow, and if you're getting free points from me, you're obviously not going to be able to afford it, because the free points that I'm offering is 400 points. So this is mostly for people who are already on the paid plan. All right, let's go. I am going to go with 600 points, and I'm going to generate it. So we're going to wait, take our time and wait for this to be generated. I'm going to show you another method. You go to edit again. We're not going to make any adjustments to it. We want it to be almost exactly the same, but instead of video, we're going to go with image, right? I think we can go with 2 images. If you have 200 points and you use 40 points for this, it won't be bad, right? Okay, now let's generate the 2 images as well. So we have 2 sets of generations happening at the same time. This is one thing I really like about Wishop AI. You can just create what you want to create, and they can do that simultaneously. So you can then take a break and relax and come and see your results. So that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, let's wait. All right, so it seems like our generations are ready. Let's take a look at them. So these are the images. Start with the images first. Let's preview them. So we chose 2 options. So this one looks a little more fitted. Her hair is covering most of the straps, which is nice. And this one, her hair is like further back, you know. I'm gonna download both of them so we can have a good look. So at the bottom left, there's the download button, and we have options of free size, JPEG, and 4K. 4K comes at an extra point cost, but full size and JPEG are free. So I'm just gonna go with full size. Full size is usually PNG, which I usually like. All right, now let's take a look at this one. Okay, I mean, it had everything on lockdown. The image is just like the original image, just that she's wearing a dress. So we're gonna zoom in. Okay, so we have our yellow straps, which are cool. Yeah, and then the colors are exactly like the colors of the dress. Not sure the shoes are cool, but I did select this image, so we're gonna go with it. So now let's look at the other image, the second one where her arms are behind her. We're gonna go through the same process and download it. And when it's downloaded, we can take a look at it. I think I like this one more. Her hair covers the straps. She's looking very straight and cute. I like this one. So if I was ever going to make a choice, I would probably pick this. Now let's look at the video. Let's take a look at the video. So this is the video, and I think the video used the first image, right? Of course, because that's the first generation, so that's what's going to use. That's why I always prefer image first and then video, because if you generate the image first, then you can choose between them to make a video, because every time you preview, it can then you can then go for generate video. It's still going to take 600 points, so you would have used more than 600 points if you do both a combination of photo and video, but I feel like it gives you more choice, so that's fine. So now let's preview this one. Fabulous. She just walks, and trust me, how many people are going to know this is AI? This is amazing. I'm gonna go with a full screen. You can see it more clearly. I feel like AI is really on another level, because this really doesn't look like it was generated. Alright, so now let's go back. We're gonna go back, and then this has just one download option. It's just video, just download it. So sometimes it fails and you have to download it manually, so you go here and then you download, which then works, so either one is fine. So this tool with Wishop AI is mind-blowing. Some of the cool things you can use these videos for social media. So you really don't need a model to create videos for social media right now. Once you have the clothes, you can put it on the models, the AI models, and then generate video. You can also add this to your listings online. If you create listings, it's often a good idea to have people see a video of how the outfits would look. Especially for Etsy, video is really helping people convert more because they see a human being wearing the outfit and the product, and they like it. All right, so thank you for watching this tutorial. What other tutorials would you like me to do? Drop it in the comment section and I'll definitely give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.